How to fix mic not working in Audiate. First of all, check if your microphone is properly connected to your device. If you are using an external mic, make sure it's securely plugged in and not loose. Also, confirm that the mic is powered on if it has a switch. Next, go to your computer system sound settings and ensure the correct microphone is set as the default input device. If a different mic is selected, Audiate might not detect your voice properly. Then, open Audiate and look at the bottom bar. You will see a microphone icon. This is where you choose your audio input. Click on that icon and make sure your preferred microphone is selected from the list. Also, you will find the audio meter. When you speak, check if the levels are moving. If the meter is flat, either the wrong mic is selected or the input is muted. After that, go into Audiate's main settings and look for the audio input section. This is where you can confirm and change your input device. Make sure the correct mic is selected there as well. If you are still not getting any input, check your operating system's app permissions. Go to privacy settings and allow microphone access for apps. Finally, try restarting your system. Sometimes a reboot can resolve temporary glitches with audio devices or drivers. And that's it. Now you know how to fix mic not working in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.